Hi and welcome to this week's video. This week's video is me testing out the new Solimould from www.solimould.co.uk. It's actually been sold in a few places. It's also going to be sold, I don't know if they've got it up on the website yet, but at the House of Resin. So I've got a couple of bits going on here, but really what it is to get some pen blanks mixed up and get them demoulded and just show you the mould really. Now this is obviously the Solimould, and it has these separate bungs in the bottom, which means it can be stackable, so you could have several of these stacked. The size is, it's a 20mm square blank, and let me check the length, by just about near as damn it 150 I would say, from end to end, 150 mils. So I will, the colours that I'm doing today is Plum Crazy Purple, Brilliant Blue and Blood Red. So I should get these mixed up. It'll be on a little bit of a time lapse here, and we'll get them poured into the mould. With these moulds you do need to use mould release. It's really important. So I've actually put a couple of coats of mould release. You'll probably see that white powder on there. I've actually put a couple of coats on there. So we will just have to see how we get on with demoulding them. The mould release that I have actually used is Mac Wax release agent. This just happens to be the one that I've used, and it's designed for releasing polyurethane, polyester, epoxy and other plastics from various casting type moulds. So I am hoping that this will do the trick. So get it on a time lapse for you.
Lights down low, still wondering what you're saying. Stay. Please don't go, I'd rather have you staying. What is this game you're playing?
Okay, next day now. That's just out the pot a few minutes ago. Now, it's really important with these moulds that you do use mould release. Okay, that's the first thing I'm going to say. And what I did then this morning is I've took all the bungs out, which is these little things that go in the back, and I used a rubber mallet and I just gave them a bang, top and bottom, a couple of times with a good firm bang, and they actually started to fall out then. I've got the air compressor here, so right, so that's them out of there. So they do need a good firm bang. I just used a rubber mallet because that's what I have at hand. And the air compressor was just an extra. When I was banging them, actually, they were all just falling out then. So this is the blanks. Now these are nice long blanks, so yeah, you'll get a good couple of pens out of these ones. And I don't know if you can see, but it's got Highland boxes on there and Solimoulds on the other bit, which I'm really delighted at. Thank you very much, Mr. Resin Blanks. Thank you very much, Dan from Taylor's Murfield, because I am really pleased. Worked absolutely perfectly. Like I say, as long as you've got your mould release, a wee rubber mallet, which most of us have got in the shed when we're doing bits, these come out absolutely lovely. I shall post some photographs up after.